Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching another episode. Today what we're working on is a 2017 Ford Edge, and this is going to be a smart key. So we do have our Autel 508, and what we're going to do, we're going to go to emo status and follow the prompts there. So it's a smart system. So what we're going to do at first, we're going to go ahead and add a key. You must have the original key to start the vehicle. So there, we're going to go ahead and start the vehicle so it can sync in. Then it's going to check the vehicle status if the key is connected to the vehicle. Then from there, it's going to prompt you to go ahead and go to the next step. So we're going to start the key programming process here since it did sync in. So it's just telling you it will not erase the keys. It'll just go ahead and add a key. The ignition must be on. Go ahead and close the door. And then open it. Then from there, it's going to go ahead and bypass the security anti-theft system. And this does take approximately about 12 minutes. So this is normal for a Ford. You just gotta wait, 8 to 12 minutes. And then from there, once you wait, you go ahead and place the smart key in the slot where the programming slot is located. In this case, it's inside the little compartment there. And we had an error on this one because this vehicle only could have 4 keys programmed and it was already maxed out. So in this case, what we had to do, we had to go with the all keys lost function, erase all the keys, get the regular key that was programmed before, have that handy, and go ahead and add the old key and the new key. So we'll have a total of 2 new keys. So if you can see there, I just went ahead and skipped to the steps. So I already went through the whole 12-minute waiting for the all keys lost. It's going to go ahead and erase the old keys. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and put the original key first. See if it accepted that. And once you put it into the slot, you'll go ahead and hear some sounds that I did programmed. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and remove it. Put the next key in. And if you can see there, everything did program. Now we have only 2 keys instead of 4. We're going to go ahead and test both of them out. When you do the all keys lost function, it's the same thing as just adding keys. What it does, it just erases all the keys. So we had a successful programming. We're good to go on this 2017 Ford Edge. If you have any questions, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. I'll go ahead and answer them. Thank you so much. Have a great day.